I'm trying to be professional. Please stop. Please stop. So today I'm gonna be sharing with you a Target haul. My last video was my Target shop with me video, and I showed so many great things in store. I really got a lot of stuff this time. Like, they just had so many amazing things, and I hadn't been there in a couple of months, so I was really excited. I did tell you guys in that video that we were kind of purchasing things for our back deck, furniture for that and everything. So my next video after this one is going to be my back deck patio tour, something along those lines. We actually just finished filming that yesterday, and it ended up being super cute, and we're obsessed with it out there. I'm gonna jump into this haul. Hope you guys enjoy it. Don't mind my hair, it's super humid out today, and it's just kind of getting bigger and bigger by the second. But anyway, gonna jump in, show you guys everything I got. Every time I'm at Target, I walk in, go to the women's clothes, and I usually throw a couple things in my cart. One was this shirt. I think this is the Abbyefied brand, but I will leave this link down below. It was $14.99. I feel like this is a really nice quality t-shirt. Just has good vibes on it. Super cute, love the colors. Just fun to wear with like jean shorts for the summer. Another item I got from the women's clothing section was this bathing suit. It's a one piece, it's ribbed. I love anything that's ribbed, and I love anything that is olive green. I'm going to be bringing this with me to the cabin this weekend. It was a good price, it was 30 bucks. It's kind of like open in the back, but I like that it has the coverage, and I love one pieces too because you can just throw like shorts over it, and it's kind of like you have a full outfit on. It almost just looks like you have a bodysuit on or something. I also like how it like kind of ties on the side. I thought that was cute. So I'm excited to wear this. Moving on to some home stuff. I think everything else is home stuff. So I found this little lantern, super adorable. This is the Hearth and Hand brand. And then I found this Hearth and Hand pillar candle. This I probably could have got way cheaper somewhere else. Realizing it was $8.99 now. That's kind of ridiculous. Probably could have got that for $1 at the dollar store. But it's really pretty, and I was desperate, really needed the candle right away. So how much was this? I'm gonna leave everything linked down below. You guys can check out prices and everything, because this doesn't have a price on it anymore. But I think it's really cute, and it does look adorable outside on my deck. So I can't wait to share with you guys that whole entire video. Some other items I got for my deck were these pillows. I showed these in the shop with me portion of the video. The pillows were all like 30% off, the outdoor ones at least. And these ones are the Project 62 brand. The Project 62 brand tends to be a little bit more modern. I really like that. I think it's a really cool brand that Target has. But I liked the black and white. Everything outside on our deck is pretty neutral, but we are doing like pops of colors with like our flowers and stuff like that. I just always feel like it's safer for me to do like neutral colors, because a lot of times when I do pops of colors, like of pillows or blankets or something like that, I get sick of it really fast. So this is just a safe way for me to add colors just with our flowers. But I really like this pillow, so I got 2 of them. I think with the deal, it was like, they were like maybe $10.48 or something each. So I thought that was pretty good. And then I ended up just getting an Opal House pillow. Now the Opal House brand tends to be a little boho, very, very colorful, that whole brand. I love it, it's super cool. I totally gravitate towards it. But I sometimes am a little scared to get anything from that brand. So this was very neutral from the Opal House brand. I like all like the pretty detail on it. I like the fringe, and this was on sale too, but I cut the tag off, so this will be linked down below. But I think it actually still looks really good with these pillows. So it's like boho modern mix, kind of fun. We also ended up getting an outdoor rug for our deck. I was totally surprised by the one I ended up liking, because I was looking at all the rugs online before we went to Target, and the one that I wanted wasn't really what I thought when I saw it in store. So we ended up finding this other one that I don't even remember seeing online, but I love it. It's gray, super neutral. It has some fringe on the end of it, which makes it really fun. It's got some black, some white, so it's super neutral, but super cool. So that's already outside on our deck, so I'm gonna do a cutaway for you guys so you can see it without giving too much of the deck away, because like I said, that's my next video. But I love that rug. It was on sale too. It's a pretty big rug, and I think it was like $97. So hopefully they're still doing the sale, and if you guys want, you can still get it for that price. So I'll leave that link down below. When I had checked online when I had got home, I believe it was still $97. So hopefully it is when I post this video. Another outdoor item, which was a huge disappointment. This is an outdoor gas tabletop firebolt. This is Project 62. You guys see the picture? So this is what it's supposed to look like. I thought this would be super cool on the little coffee table that we just got because it's kind of like a similar shape to this. It is the same shape of this. It's a rectangle. Come to find out, you have to have an umbrella hole for this to work. So this would be great for like an actual dining table or something. Our dining table in our gazebo does have a hole in it, but it's a round table. So I'd rather have like a round one of these instead of a rectangular one, which they do have online. But this was on major sale. I think it was like 50 bucks, maybe a little less. But I think it is so cool. Love the idea of it. And that was really gonna just make the whole deck, but whatever. Another couple of things we got for our deck that are already out there that I'll insert little clips of. One was these little, are they called like globe lights or something? We got like 4 packs of them. They're Project 62. They were a pretty good deal. I want to say they were like 15 or 16 bucks per box. Anyway, we strung them outside and in the gazebo. So they look really, really adorable. I love them. They just give it like a really homey, comfy vibe out there now. Also, I do want to say real quick, our neighbor's mowing his lawn. It just always happens whenever I'm filming somebody's mowing. So if you guys can hear that, I apologize. Next, showed these in store. These are acrylic frames with some gold on them. So cool. This is an 11 by 14 frame. I saw these on the West Elm website recently, almost bought them. Glad I didn't because they were much cheaper at Target. So I got 2 of them. They did have a couple sizes you could get too, but I just ended up getting this size. I might go back for more, but I just thought I would start with these, kind of figure out where exactly I want to put them. I've already been thinking of several places they could go. So I don't know. I'm just excited. We don't really have much stuff on our walls yet. One more thing I want to throw into this Target haul. In my last home updates video, I shared with you guys these bar stools that I got for my kitchen. If you guys did not see that video, I just want to insert the clip of those chairs. They were such a good deal. I feel like they bring a lot of warmth to my kitchen, and I just think that they're super cool. So I did want to mention those and insert the little clip if you guys did not see my home updates video, because I just think those bar stools are so cool. We love them. We've been using them for probably about a month now, and I just think they're awesome. Almost forgot. I got a rug for our hallway over here, and I actually put it up on my Instagram stories asking you guys what you thought. If you thought I should take it back or keep it, I'm keeping it. The dogs have already been laying all over it and stuff. I don't even think I can take it back if I wanted to. At first I was feeling like maybe it's a tiny bit small. At first I was probably gonna take it back, but then it really started growing on me. Every time I started walking through the hallway, I would just get really happy. And I feel like that's a really good sign that you need to keep the rug. It's like a Marie Kondo thing where it's like, does it spark joy? And that rug totally sparks joy for me. I love it. I love the colors. It's definitely a more affordable, kind of like that Persian rug trend that's going around right now. I see those rugs online, and for a runner like that, it might be $200, $300, $500. I mean, you could spend hundreds of dollars on a rug like that, but I just probably wouldn't be able to pull the trigger unless I knew I was keeping that rug forever. This is a very safe way for me to kind of try the trend, see if I like it, and maybe one day I would pull the trigger and buy a really nice one. But honestly, this one was like $45, I think, and it looks nice. I love the colors. I think it's so cool. It comes in other sizes too. Honestly, if you guys have been wanting like that Persian style vintage rug, this is a great one. So I'm inserting a clip of it because it's already in my hallway. If you guys don't follow me on Instagram, make sure to follow me on Instagram because sometimes I do show you guys little sneak peeks on there of things that maybe I've recently bought or things that we're doing to our house and stuff like that. So anyway, that is everything that I picked up from Target this time, I believe. I hope you guys enjoyed it. If you did, please make sure to give it a thumbs up. There is a thumbs up button down there and you just click it. Subscribe if you haven't subscribed yet. I'm so close to 100,000 and I'm so excited and I'm so grateful to you guys for all of your support, for commenting, liking, subscribing, just watching. It all means the world to me. I hope you guys have an amazing weekend. We're headed to the cabin right now and we're having an amazing week. Not sure exactly when this is going out, but we're going to the cabin for 4th of July. So I wanted to make sure I filmed this really quick for you guys. So anyway, love you guys. Thanks for watching and I'll see you really soon in my next video.